What are your politics?
Increasingly liberal. I'm a registered Republican, and I say that just sort of as over at the country club. If you're not a registered Republican, you're out of there. But yeah, increasingly, I've recognized, at least from my viewpoint, the inequality of the rich versus the middle class versus the poor. We don't talk about the poor anymore. It's always the middle class, and the implications of that down the road. I mean, some of these things are populism. Is becoming more violent or more enthusiastic in other parts of the world, like France and so on. If it continues, I mean, if this Gilded Age continues, there will be implications. Whether
of what sort?
Well, and I'm not talking about revolution, but maybe revolution at the ballot box. Maybe the next time, the next election. There will be a quote-unquote socialist in the White House. That's what the Republicans would call them. I would say they're just liberal Democrats. But, I think the wealthy have been advantaged for a long time, and certainly in the past few years with the tax cuts. And the middle class has not necessarily suffered, but certainly the gap has increased. And, the relative gap is important.